Hey guys, welcome back to How to Daily. And in this video, I will show you how to do Shopify product research with ZIK Analytics. Alright, let's begin. The secret to find profitable products for your Shopify dropshipping store is to employ product research tools such as ZIK Analytics. It boasts a new Shopify sales tracker tool that makes it easy for e-commerce merchants to obtain essential information and make data-driven decisions about product ideas, market trends, and more. There are various methods available on using this popular product research tool to identify winning products and opportunities for your online business, like discover hot products on Shopify. The first method to research products for your Shopify store is to use the real-time market trends provided at the dashboard when you log into the product research tool. Once you access the Shopify competitor analysis tool, you can see the latest winning products on Shopify from the dashboard. There are two areas for you to consider what products to sell to your store: trending products and trending Shopify stores. The trending products section shows products that have an excellent sales performance in the last 30 days. This list is constantly updated to ensure you have the most relevant and latest data to inform your decisions when choosing products to sell online. Analyze competitors and their best sellers. Another way to use the Shopify product research tools to identify high-demand products is through the trending Shopify store section. Keyword research. Another way to use the research tools on ZIK Analytics sales tracker for Shopify Marketplace is through keyword research. Again, go back to the Market Insights dashboard and scroll to the bottom right of the dashboard. In this section, you will find trending keywords on Shopify. And that's it, you are done.